This is my new drawing, and it's called Animal Survival, and I like to take care of things, so that's why I'm finding shelter for animals for survival, and that's why I drew Animal Survival.
Can you tell us a little bit more about what's on this picture from left to right? There's a lot of things here.
It goes from spring, summer, and then something other, and then another weather. You can see it changes story. First, you see a bug placed where the bug can survive with themselves. You can see the rainforest, and in this box you see here is shelter if it's ever too hot.
I see.
And right here is part of the bottom, but it can also count as the other story. These two are the food, so is this the food? And this is the snake food.
So who's making the food? Under the ground?
No, they just find it.
Okay.
So they just find the food. And you see this jaguar is finding his scent for the food. And this is a berry, and this is some acorns. And these are butterflies, and this one's getting nectar. And this one's two birds waiting for their eggs to hatch, and this one's a bird that's already egg hatched and feeding it. The daddy's feeding the egg.
Okay. I like the shelter idea. When it's getting hot, the animal still has some place to stay under the shade, right? Yeah.
And this is like their parade line.
Oh, what does the parade line do for the?
Well, like if there's any holiday or something, they would just parade down there.
What about on the right-hand side?
And they would do a trick on with the alligator. So one of the bugs will have to try to rescue the other bug who does not know how to fight them. And then,
What about on the
this side?
Yeah. I noticed there's quite a bit animals.
Well, this is a really hot place.
Okay.
And then, this is the forest where they get a cool or something.
Oh.
And this is an elephant drinking water. This is the water place, and here's a hippo. And my mom said the giraffe is really cute.
Yeah, it is. It certainly is, right?
And the bed is a leaf right here.
I really like this picture that showing how animals figure out the way to protect themselves or maybe help each other. It's how they stay healthy in this big forest across different seasons.
Can I tell them what survival means, though?
Yes, go ahead.
Well, animal means a group of animals that are not really humans like us. They have different scents, and they're all big and small, and they live anywhere. That's what animal means. And survival means live life and protect themselves and just have their own survival and stay happy in their own home.
What do you think we as humans can do to help these animals?
Well, we would just build this whole thing. And if it took a long time, I would build my own robot.
Oh, for what? Your own robot can?
Build the thing I drew.
Oh, you're saying you create the robot to build all this to help animals.
Yes.
Like creating the shelter, creating this underground pipe.
And sun and hot.
Thank you, Anna, for your sharing.
Thank you.